Hey guys, what's up? It's Samantha, and today I am doing my memory keeping spread for the second week in April, and I am using this Scribble Prints Co. mystery kit. I want to say this was April or March, and it came with the most beautiful pink glittery foil that I had to use with this. I actually picked up a couple extras of the foil that came with this kit, so I did have enough full box overlays to do a full box overlay on every full box, because this is just gorgeous. And I actually decided not to use the habit trackers. I wanted to try doing 3 squared off boxes, but I'm gonna be honest, this was the wrong week to decide to try that out, because not that much happened this week, so I didn't really have 3 big events to mark. So yeah, I mean, I like how it turned out, because quite frankly, putting in the habit trackers seems sort of silly in my memory keeping, because it's memory keeping. I actually use the habit trackers, and I have a giant to-do list in my sidebar in my actual planner that I use throughout the week, but memory keeping, not really a point. So I think I might continue trying to do this in the future. It'll probably be easier for weeks where there's more going on. And then I did alternate it with the silver Simply Gilded bow. I obviously did not have foil and everything, like the pink, purple, whatever. So I also pulled in silver foil to augment the pink, purple glitter. I don't even know what color you would call the glitter, but it's real pretty. So I'm just going ahead and putting down the glitter headers, and then I'm going to do the overlays and the deco per usual, and then I will be back to jump into what I marked in my sidebar and going day by day. So the first thing I put down was a mermaid sticker, which I sort of was just using to mark like a fantasy thing because Red Scrolls of Magic by Cassandra Clare came out, and then I used the middle one just to mark that I read a bunch this week, and then the last one I used a foil munchkin in the same like glitter as the rest of the foil that came with the mystery kit to mark that I did a ton of online shopping this week and revamped my wardrobe. I hadn't really purchased clothes, like real clothes, in quite some time, and so I finally decided to put in some effort and like look at some stores online, and I ordered stuff, and I've been very happy with my clothes. I've actually purchased some more summer clothes like for Austin, and then Joe and I are going on vacation after Austin. I'm meeting him in Nashville, so I picked up some summer clothes because I didn't really have a lot of like shorts or t-shirts, that kind of stuff, because I pretty much don't go anywhere other than work, and I can't wear shorts to work. So I don't even know what I was marking on Monday because I haven't put down any of the icons, but I didn't have very much to mark on Monday, so I just used some Simply Gilded washi and the Shut Up and Take My Money, the jumbo sticker from Fox and Cactus, to mark all of the online shopping that I did on Monday. I also did some reading, and this was the day that I was like really grasping for things to mark. So I marked that I finished These Divided Shores, which was an advanced copy for a book that actually still hasn't come out. It doesn't come out till like August, I think. It was like one of those books that I felt like it took forever. Like it was the book that would never end. It was just too long. So that's probably why I marked it. And like I legit must have done nothing on that day. I do have days periodically that are like that where my nose is just in a book all day. I don't do much of anything productive. So Tuesday, I grabbed an Amazon sticker from Toffee Bananas. She has a new Papershire, I want to say, is like her new name. I don't know. But I am going to take that Amazon sticker up and put a like third box down. But I had to drop off an Amazon return, and there is an Amazon store in downtown Akron. So I like drove there on my way home from work, dropped that off. It was like super easy. It took 2 seconds, way easier than like trying to mail something back. And then I went and did like a Target pickup. I wish there were like, I like hope that Scribble Prince Co. comes up with like grocery pickup or like that kind of script, because I like don't go into stores anymore. Whenever I like always just do like the curbside pickup. So I did like a Target pickup. I had a package from Barnes & Noble and a package from Amazon because I had discovered I had like some Barnes & Noble gift cards that I didn't realize I had. So I like bought a couple books from Barnes & Noble, used up my gift cards. And then I used the unicorn just to mark like magical whatever from Wonton and a Million that Red Scrolls of Magic came out. I had some wine. I had some McDonald's. I think I read over half of Red Scrolls of Magic on Tuesday night. I might have read like 200 pages or something. It was such a nice feeling to like only have like a 300 and some page Cassandra Clare novel, because all of her books are like 1,000 pages now. And I'm like, oh, this is like a normal novel length. It's not going to take me like 7 hours to read this. So yeah, Wednesday was trash day, and then I had a like pest control appointment. We were still having carpenter ants upstairs, so they came out to spray again. And then unloaded the dishwasher, washed some dishes. I'm gonna like move all this stuff around. I don't know what I was doing. I'm gonna like take that package off. I had a Target package, and then yes, this is me realizing that is not enough space to mark that I washed the dishes. So I'm going to grab a glitter label, and then put the dishwashing sticker, which is from Magic Prince Co. BT Dubs. That's foiled. I don't know if you can like really tell in the video, but that is a foiled dishwashing sticker, and it's adorbs. And then I ate all of the junk food on Wednesday night, so that like Fox and Cactus girl and like the bunny onesie eating all of the junk food. with a remote in her hand. It's kind of like me. And then I watched a bunch of YouTube on Wednesday night. I need to see if Station Stickers still sells those YouTube binge scripts, because I think I only have one left in silver, because I have used quite a few. Or I need like Andrea to come out with like YouTube binge or like watch YouTube scripts. That would be sweet. So Thursday I had a bill due. I'm going to switch out to the other bill due because I realized the colors worked better with what I was doing. I don't know where my head was when I was doing this. I feel like every once in a while I have a plan with me, which is maybe why I've like been putting off doing this voiceover, where I like do it and I feel like I'm fighting my planner the entire time. Like, I don't love how it's turning out. Like, I don't dislike this spread, but I just felt like every time I put something down, like, I couldn't figure, like, how do I normally do this? How do I make this look good? I don't remember. Like, this is just not working. Don't know why I am like that sometimes, but I was, and I got like so many packages delivered this week because of all of the like online shopping that I did end up cutting up the 3-heart checklists and then like putting the package icon. I actually do this again on Saturday. So I had like a package from Anthropology, a package from Madewell, and then I talked to my brother, which is notable because Mike and I like probably only talk 2 or 3 times a year, just because he and I both hate talking on the phone, and it's like impossible. He's always so busy, it's impossible to get him on the phone. So it's worth marking my planner that I talked to Mike. And then I came home, watched YouTube, and then Joe and I read. This was when he was reading Scythe. He's like a little past the halfway point on Thunderhead right now. He's like enjoying it. It's just really hard to get him to like step away from the computer and read, which is like ironic. If you've read Thunderhead, like but once he like steps away from the computer, he's always like, oh yeah, this book is really good. Like, why did I not read it for a week and a half? But yeah, Friday I had my coffee and did some planning, and then I think I filmed a haul that never went up because I had like no energy in it. And the film script and the planning time script are both from Scribble Prince Co., the coffee cups from Moonlight Paper Co. And then I used a paper and milk Maru sticker to mark that I read all day at work, which is, I actually forgot to put my work thing in. Oops. I definitely worked on Friday, because I had the like shocked Maru there. I had a patron request like adult erotic yaoi, which is like, I think is like the boy love manga. It was just like really awkward to like have that conversation with a 15-year-old and then like have to like do reader's advisory because I don't know any of those series, and I had to like request stuff for her, and it was just like, I like handled it very professionally, but then I came home and was just like, and so I like again had junk food and wine, and I read all night because that's what I do. This is like seriously, I think part of why Plan With Me is they're just not like that interesting anymore because all I do is read. But this is my life. This is what I do. I'm like a professional reader at this point. So Saturday I slept in and I just had like a chill morning with like reading and coffee. And then Joe and I just like hung out. And I used the cute little fox and cactus sticker there. And I really do love like the banana toffees, whatever, Papershire, her new name. The flat lays are like so cute. So then I had another package from Barnes & Noble, another package from Madewell. I had a nail appointment, and the script and the hand holding the nail polish bottle are from Scribble Prince Co. And then I used a Wonton in a Million to mark that I read The Kiss Quotient on Saturday, which I normally don't read adult romance. It was okay. It was like a 3-star. I liked it. Like it was what it was. It was enjoyable. It wasn't like great literature, but I mean, like for me, a 3-star is like, I liked it. I'd recommend it to like the kind of person who likes adult romance. It was like as good as I think adult romance can be. It was fluffy. It was fun. It was what it was. I enjoyed it. And then Sunday, I had insomnia in the middle of the night, and I was very tired. So then I woke up, I did a quick clean, and that foiled spray bottle is from Clever Gal Crafts. Had my coffee, watched YouTube, unloaded, and then because I was completely out of package little things, I used the gift one to mark an Amazon package. Did laundry, used a Coffee Monsters Co. onesie to mark me time, and the washing machine is from Planner Kate. The washing machine is from Planner Kate, and then Game of Thrones was on Sunday night, which that whole season was super disappointing. But overall, this was a super duper boring week. I did nothing except watch YouTube and read books, because quite frankly, that's what my typical week looks like these days. I'm just not that interesting, but I don't know, I still like writing it all down. Hopefully you guys get something out of this. I do like how this turned out. I think part of why maybe I wasn't vibing with this is I'm not a super pink person, and this is a very, very pink heavy kit. And I think all of the pinks started to feel a little samey after a while. I don't know. But I think I'm moving, well, I guess it's April, so I think all the kits I picked are pretty purple, which I really liked my very purple monotone kit from the week before. If you haven't seen that plan with me, go check it out, because the purple foil, the kit's purple, everything's purple. It was great. But yeah, thank you guys. I don't even know what this voiceover is. This is the most hot mess rambly voiceover I've ever done, and I don't even know what's going on right now. I have tried to do this voiceover 10 times, and I just can't get a coherent thought out of my mouth over the last 2 or 3 days. I've sat down so many times and tried to do this. So this hot mess, we're just going with it. I don't care if all y'all, whoever made it this far, because most of y'all probably clicked out after 5 minutes, because this is just a rambly mess and nothing happens. But thank you for hanging in here with me while I just word vomit in a voiceover. So this is the Wiggle. It is very shiny. I do really love the foil that was in this mystery kit. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye, guys.